Hey, what's up guys? Today we're talking about Mrbeast's YouTube earnings in 2022. As you probably know, Mrbeast is one of the most popular creators on YouTube, with millions of subscribers and billions of views. In fact, according to Social Blade, Mrbeast received a total of 6.5 billion views in 2022. So, how much money did Mrbeast make from all of those views? Well, it's difficult to say for certain, as YouTube does not disclose the earnings of individual creators. However, we can make some educated guesses based on some assumptions. For example, let's assume that Mrbeast made $5 for every 1,000 views he received in 2022. Based on this assumption, Mrbeast would have earned a total of $32.5 million from his 6.5 billion views. Now, it's important to note that this is just an estimate, and we don't know for certain how much Mrbeast actually made in 2022. However, it's clear that he is one of the highest earning creators on YouTube, and he has built an impressive business through his channel. Thanks for watching.